All right, welcome back. We are on level 3 of lesson 4, shapes and parameters. So this one says ellipse parameters. The ellipse block has also been updated to use these new parameters. Ellipse X, Y, W, H. Use these new parameters to create two ellipses of different sizes. Do this. Add an orange ellipse to the screen that is taller than the green one. Use an ellipse block to set the width and height of the ellipse. Use a fill block to make the ellipse orange. Then we're going to rearrange the block so that the orange ellipse is behind the green one. All right, so we're going to run. All right, and then we're going to add a fill color. So we've got orange, and then we've got the ellipse here. And this one is going to be width, height, and then, no, this one's going to be X, Y, width, and height. So the width is going to need to be, let's try 450, and then the height is going to need, oh, wait a minute. So the first is 200, so let's make that 250, and then that's 150, so we're going to make that 250. Wait a minute, 200, 150, let's make that 350. All right, so, but then we got to move these because this needs to be behind the green. So let's see how it looks. I am really dang happy with that. That looks like what it needs to look like. All right, we've got it. Okay. All right, so I'm going to click finish, and I will see you on level 4. Here we go.